Okay, today we're gonna cook Asam Pedas, which is a Malay kind of dish, fish dish, spicy. Okay, we will need these ingredients. Starting from here, this is the laksa leaves. It is a must to have these laksa leaves, or else you won't have the quiet taste or aroma for Asam Pedas. Okay, and then lemongrass, and then this is optional actually. So you can use spring onions just for garnishing or decoration purposes, and then one tomato cut into 4, and then this is the eggplant. Okay. Eggplant, you can use 1 or 2 eggplant depending on how big is the size. Okay, now we're going to use today stingray, so which I have cut into small pieces like this, so easy to eat. Okay, we will need this blended item as usual: garlic, onion, and ginger, which has been blended. We will use about 3 spoons of this, and then blended chili, we will use about 6 spoons of this. Okay, and lastly is the asam water, which is the tamarind water. Okay, so you may need this at least about 2 or 3 bowls depending on how much soup you need. Okay, all right, we proceed with the cooking. Okay, so we're gonna proceed with the cooking, and this we have to switch on the fire. 2 ladle of the oil. Okay, 1 and 2 ladle. Okay, and then so let it heat up a little bit. Here we're gonna use 3 spoonful of onion paste, 6 spoonful of chili, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Okay. Now if you want it more spicy, then you can use more, or 7 at least. Okay, 7. Okay, just stir it. Let it. This will take a very long while before you can put other ingredients, because the chili needs to be really dry and not too wet like this. So it takes time for it to get dried up, and there's water. This is like very watery and wet. Yeah. And we'll put in the eggplant and the laksa leaves as well. Later we will put in the tomato.
You can also add ladies' fingers in your Asam Pedas, right?
Keep stirring. So you have to keep stirring until the eggplant is very soft. So now you see it's thickening. Look, it's no longer dry and no longer too wet, but it's thickening now. Yeah. Look. Okay. So this is the right texture, and you have to wait for a long one, at least 10 minutes. You have to keep stirring, yeah, before it's thickening. Look, now it's not watery, correct? After this, you can put in the tomato. Okay. Once you put in the tomato, the reason you put in the tomato now is so that the tomato will be softened, and then as well as create slightly less spiciness in there. And then you can put 1 teaspoonful of turmeric powder. This is to make the color nicer, and also the taste of the Asam Pedas, enhance the taste of the Asam Pedas. You can put in the asam water slowly, bit by bit. Yeah. Okay, because you need to adjust to know how much water you need or soup you need for the dish. Yeah. If you put it too much, then it will be too watery. It won't be nice. Put it bit by bit. Okay. See this texture? Look. For this case, I think mine is for one bowl is enough. Maybe 1 or 2 bowls is more than enough water. So this is a texture. This is very nice texture. Not too liquid, not too watery. Yeah, this is nice texture. I can put in the stingray. Okay. Let the fishes swim inside, and then we can put in the salt as well as the seasoning. Take the salt. 1, 2, and 3 teaspoon. Okay, 3 teaspoon, followed by the Ajinomoto, about 1 and 2. Okay, 2 teaspoon of the seasoning. Last will be the garnishing. Okay, there you go. So it looks pretty. Alright, so that's it for now. Thank you for watching. Have fun cooking. See you later. Bye.